Hey everyone, it's Mr. Monday here today, and today I will be doing a solve and it's showing off my new cube. It's a barrel cube, as you can see. It's a lot weirder than a regular 3x3. 3x3, there's a color on each side. This one has color in each row. See, there's green, yellow all the way around, green all the way around, blue all the way around, and gray on the bottom, red on top. And it's just like a regular 3x3, except the way it moves. Like, I could do that. And as you can see, the edges are up here now, like the corners, and they move all over the place. Yeah. So today I'm just going to be like solving it, and hopefully you guys like that. Let's see. I can't remember exactly how I did this. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it up right now. Oh, frick. Oh, and you have to line up the middle lines, just to move it. So yeah, that's one thing I don't really like about this one. I think a lot of cubes are like that though. So yeah. Okay. A little more. Okay, I think that's good enough. Looks pretty mixed up, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and solve it. I don't know how long this is actually gonna take me, because I've solved it about 4 times today and they were on accident. I don't really actually know how to solve it, so I'm just gonna go. Not really going like ultimate speed or anything. I'm just going. Sorry, let me move the camera down a little more so you guys can see everything. Get in the center, thank you. Okay, got bottom row. Now it's the center row, which actually is one of the easiest parts. Same with bottom row. The bottom row is the easiest part of this for me. I don't know about anyone else. Oh, and just to remind you guys, it's called a barrel cube. It's not a cylinder cube or anything. That's center row. It's called a barrel cube. So yeah. Oh, I hate it when that happens. There's only the single one left. Frick. Okay, now let's go ahead and bring this thing up, bring this over, and frick. Oh, I just did that wrong. This needs to go down like this. So we that. Okay. Bring this back down to this, because I need to get this center row back in. Oh, I remember. Okay. There was clicking in the last video. I don't know what that was, but hopefully you guys liked that other video. So yeah. This hurts my neck. It's actually pretty hard to move around because I just got it and I'm still breaking it in, you know. It's all clanky. This might be a while. Because I don't actually really know how to solve the top layer yet. I usually solve it on just guessing things. Like, it is actually a lot. You could do a lot of the regular algorithms, like on a 3x3 on here. But some of them don't actually work. Like, if I tried to do the regular algorithm to get the cross, it won't work. Like, it has line right there, and I will try and go ahead and do it. Get in. Thank you. You see, it doesn't make the cross. But, you could do things over and over again, and it might get the cross sooner or later. Oh, it's doing that now. Turn. There. Oh, I thought it was close. It looked like it was like going to work, but I guess not. I'm sorry if this video is like super long. I'm just trying to solve it while on a video. Hopefully you guys don't mind. Okay. There. This really hurts my neck. the hell? Oh. Right here. Wait a second, I'm gonna try to do it this way. Yeah, that's what I did last time. Okay, I'm gonna have to remember that. Because now I basically just solved it. As you can probably see right now. It's solved. Yeah, I love the cube. It's like really cool and really fun to play with. I think I will play a lot more with this than my Rubik's Cube now. Because this one is actually a lot cooler and funner to play around with. And I'm not actually going online and learning any algorithms. I know a few from the original Rubik's Cube, and I usually use it on this. So I just got this today. So hopefully you guys like this video. And if you do, give this video a like and comment if I should do any more videos like this, like solving a Rubik's Cube or showing you guys anything about a Rubik's Cube or algorithms or anything. And I'll see all you guys in the next video. Peace.